circle and triangle. Now today we are going to study about the solid shapes. Now students, what are solid shapes? Solid shapes are objects that occupy space, okay? The objects that occupy space somewhere are called solid shapes, okay? Plane shapes are shapes that are plain, okay? They have a flat surface. While solid shapes are the shapes which occupy space. Like if you see this cube, if you keep it somewhere, it will occupy space, right? उसको जगह चाहिए होती है ना? So the solid shapes are shapes which occupy space. Like if you take this duster and you put it over here, it occupies space, right? It occupies space in my hand. So the solid shapes are shapes that are objects that occupy space, okay? Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Now what are the examples? What are the solid shapes, students? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere are the solid shapes, okay? We'll first now study about a cube. Okay, first we'll study about the cube. So students, this is a cube. It is like a dice. Now students, this picture you see over here is a picture of a cube, okay? It is a picture of a cube. What is cube? Cube is a solid shape. And students, this picture you see over here is a solid shape, okay? Is a cube. Now students, a cube has 6 sides, okay? How many sides does a cube have? 6 sides. This is the first side. This is the second side, that is the upper side. This is the third side, that is the back side of the cube. This is the fourth side, that is the right hand side of the cube. This is the fifth side, that is the front side of the cube. And this is the sixth side, that is the lower side of the cube. So student, first side is the left hand side of the cube. Second is the upper side of the cube. Third is the back side of the cube. Fourth is the right side of the cube. Fifth is the front side of the cube. And sixth is the lower side of the cube. Okay. So students, this is how a cube looks like. Now students, the outer side of the cube which you can touch is known as a face. Okay. What is it known? It is known as a face. How many faces does a cube have? It has 6 faces, okay students? The cube has 6 faces. All the faces of the cube are of equal length, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the faces, all the sides of the cube are square, okay? What are they? They are square and they are of equal length. We already studied, students, that a square has 4 sides and all the sides of the square are same in length. Same way, a cube has 6 sides and all the sides of the cube, all the 6 sides or all the 6 faces of the cube are same in length, okay? They are square and they are same in length, okay? They all are equal. Now students, the side where 2 faces meet each other are called edge. Sides where 2 faces meet each other, okay? जो साइड जैसे ऐसे बनता है, जहां से 2 फेस एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it as edge. Now students, the cube has in total 12 edges, okay? It has 6 faces and it has 12 edges. मतलब क्यूब के 6 साइड्स होते हैं और उसके 12 edges होते हैं, जहां हर साइड मिलता है. The point where 2 edges meet is called a corner. जहाँ 2 edges एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं, उसे हम corner कहते हैं, okay? So students, this is a edge and over here, this part is a corner. Okay students? So the point the point where two edges meet each other is called a corner. Now students, see, this is a cube, okay? This box over here, this box-like structure you see over here is a cube. Now students, when I keep it in my hand, it occupies space, right? ये जगह घेरता है ना? जबकि जो फ्लैट शेप होता है वो ज्यादा जगह नहीं घेरता, ठीक है? तो ये जो सॉलिड शेप्स होता है, that occupies space. So students, this is a cube. Now cube is square, right? You can see all the sides of the cube are square and are of same length. Now students, these are the outer sides. See, these are the outer sides which we can touch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? Starting from here, this is side 1. See, side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5 and side 6. Okay students, so these are the 6 sides of a cube. These sides which we can touch, okay? The sides which we can touch with our fingers or with our hands are known as face. Okay, ये जो sides जिनको हम touch कर सकते हैं उनको हम face कहते हैं. Okay, so a cube has 6 faces. All the faces are of equal length. See, you can see this and this. All the faces are of equal length. Side where two faces meet is called an edge. So students, see, this is an edge. The side where two faces meet are called an edge. The cube has 12 edges. Students, a point where two edges meet each other. See, this is a point where two edges meet each other. Okay, this edge and this edge meet each other as this point, right? So this point which I am showing you is known as corner. What is this point known as? It is known as corner. So students, this is all about the cube. A cube has 6 sides. The sides which we can touch are known as faces. All the 6 faces of the cube are same, of equal length and are square. The side where two faces meet each other is called an edge. And when two edges meet each other at a point, that point is known as corner. Okay, students, the example of a cube is a dice. A dice which we play with, right? It is a cube. See, all the sides, there are 6 sides and there are 6 dots, right? On the one side it is 1 dot, on another side it is 2 dots, on another side there are 3 dots, another side 4 dots, another side 5 and another side 6. So the dice is a cube. It has 6 faces and on all different 6 faces there are different dots on the dice, right? So students, dice is a cube. Also, the Rubik's cube you play with, you know the colors, you have to bring all the colors together. So the Rubik's cube you play with is also a cube. So students, we have completed learning about the cube. Now we will continue learning about the cuboid. Now students, cuboid is same like a cube, but it is a rectangular. Cuboid is a solid rectangle. The cube was a solid square. The cuboid is a solid rectangle. Okay. Now same like cube, the cuboid also has 6 faces. Okay. Same like the cube, cuboid also has 6 faces. The one in the upper face, then in the right face, the left face, the lower face, the back face and the front face. Okay. So same like the cube, a cuboid also has 6 faces but in a rectangle way. Students, the opposite sides of the cuboid are equal. Okay. The two opposite sides of the cuboid are equal. The cuboid also has 12 edges. Okay, the cuboid has 12 edges. What are the edges? Where two faces of the cuboid meet each other, it is known as an edge. So same like cube, the cuboid also has 12 edges and the cuboid has 8 corners. Now what are corners? Where a point where two edges meet each other is called a corner. Now students, let's see the cuboid. See, this is a cuboid, okay? It is a rectangular cube. See, it occupies space, right? It is a rectangular cube. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has 6 faces and 12 edges. See, the two sides meet each other. Where two faces meet each other is known as the edge. So students, this is the edge of the cuboid. So a cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, a cuboid has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, it has 8 corners. Okay, the two sides, the two opposite sides are same. See, this side and this side. This side and this side are same in length. This side and this side are same in length, while upper side and lower side are same in length. Okay. Now students, what are the example of a cuboid? A pencil box, a compass box which you use. It is a cuboid. It has 6 sides, right? A lower side and upper side, right side, left side, front side and back side. A brick which is used to make a house. A brick is also a cuboid. A cupboard, the cupboard in which you keep your clothes, okay? The cupboard at your home is also a cuboid. And an eraser, the eraser you use to rub any mistakes you have done. So what is that? That is also an cue ball. That is also a cuboid. So students, we have completed studying about the cuboid. A cuboid is a solid rectangle. It has 6 faces. It has 12 edges, 8 corners. The two opposite sides of the cuboid are equal to each other. Examples of a cuboid are a pencil box, a brick and a cupboard and a eraser. Okay. So students, now coming to cylinder. A cylinder looks like a drum. Okay. It has 3 faces. The cylinder has 3 faces. See, 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 faces, 2 and it has 2 curved sides. Okay. This 1 and this 2 curved sides. Okay. The cylinder has 3 faces and 2 curved sides. Okay. In which the 2 sides are curved. Okay. It has 2 edges, and how many edges does the cylinder have? 2 edges. It has no corners at all. Okay, the cylinder has no corners at all. See, can you see a corner? No, so it has no corners. So now let's see an example of a cylinder. See, this is a cylinder jar. Okay, it has 3 faces. 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 faces, out of which 2 faces are curved. Okay, these 2 are curved. See, it has no corners anywhere. Anywhere it does not have corner. Okay, because it is round. So it does not have corners. So it has 3 faces and 2 faces are curved. So what are the other examples? The other examples are piece of a chalk. Now can you see this chalk? It has 3 faces. 1, 2 and 3. The upper face, the middle face and the lower face. So it has 3 faces. It is the 2 faces, it has no corners and the 2 faces are curved. Okay. Then a battery, a cell which are used to operate anything. It also has 3 faces and it is a cylindrical object. Then a tube light, the tube light which you have at home is also a cylindrical object. And a pencil is also a cylindrical object. So students, the cylinder has 3 faces, out of which 2 are curved sides. There are 2 edges to it, no corners. And the examples are piece of a chalk, battery, tube light and a pencil. Okay. Students, now coming on cone. Okay, the cone shape has one face and two face. So it has two faces. One curved side, okay? It has one curved side, okay? This one is a curved side. See, it is curved. So it has one curved side. It has one corner, okay? It has one corner. See, you can see where two sides are meeting each other. So it has one corner. What are the examples of cone, students? A birthday cap. A birthday cap is an example of cone. It has one corner, it has two faces, and it has one curved side. Ice cream cone. An ice cream cone in which we eat the ice cream is also an example of cone shape, okay? So students, a cone shape has two faces, one curved side, one corner, and examples of a cone shape are a birthday cap and an ice cream cone, okay? So students, now coming to sphere. Now students, see, sphere looks like a ball. Sphere has no sides, okay? Same like circle, a sphere also has no sides. See, you cannot spot any side over here. It has no face, okay? A sphere has no face, okay? It is round on all the sides. It has no corners, okay? There is no corner in sphere. Also, it is round, okay? The sphere is round. Okay, students, so a sphere has no shape, no size, no corner, and it is round. Also, students, the example of a sphere are a rubber ball, the rubber ball you play with, a cricket ball, a marble. Have you all played with marbles? Yes, so the marble and a globe, okay? The earth or the globe also are sphere in shape, okay? So students, we have studied about 5 solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. Cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. So students, we have studied about 5 solid shapes, okay? Solid shapes are the shapes that occupy space. Now students, all the shapes can be of different sizes, okay? See, like this is a rectangle, even this is a rectangle, even this is a rectangle, and even this is a rectangle. But size of all the 4 rectangles are different. The same way, these 4 triangles, all the sides of all the 4 triangles are different. Now students, straight line and a curved line. So this line you see over here is a straight line, okay? It has no curves or it has no bendings. This is a straight line. While this is a curved line, it is not straight. It has a bending. So it is a curved line. Again, this is a curved line. Now, students, coming to the patterns. Now patterns are different types of shapes which are arranged one after another. Okay, they are different kind of shapes which are arranged one after another. Like a circle, a triangle, then again a circle, again a triangle, and it goes in the same way. Okay, it is arranged in the same way. Okay, and students, pattern looks beautiful. Now see over here. Here is a square, a triangle, a square, a triangle. Again after this, you will draw a square, a triangle, again a square, again a triangle. Okay, so it comes one after the other. It goes in a particular pattern. Okay, it goes one after one. You cannot put any other shape in between. Okay, a pattern goes in the same way. It is a arranged one. This a circle, a rectangle, a circle, a rectangle. Again after this, a circle, a rectangle, a circle, a rectangle, a circle, a rectangle. Okay, so students, the pattern go arranged one after the another. So students, we have completed chapter 4, shapes and pattern. If you have any doubt in this video, you can ask me in the